we have the PNP chief. I'm going to appoint you as the regular PNP. It just but you and I will have, you and Secretary Anyo and I will have a long, long talk first. Pinakita mo sa akin yung sincerity mo, and I'd like you to leave something that you will be remembered by the country. I am both happy and honored to be the guest of honor and speaker for today's Thanksgiving gathering, and to be with my fellow brothers and sisters from the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, ang mga kuya ko at ang mga ate.